Define your sub niche. Great. You have a niche or a specific subject you have chosen, but that's not it. In order to emphasize on what to post on your account on Instagram, you have to become a very specific, and a niche is not enough. We need to define a sub niche as well as. Let me explain. A niche is a category of subject or a topic you focus on. But if you choose a niche which is very broad, you need to be consolidate preciously what is that niche about and then target specific part of that particular niche. Let me take you with the example. Let's suppose your niche is travel. Great. But travel what? Perhaps you post only pictures of sunset. Maybe you post pictures of your travel lifestyle, or perhaps you post landscape only and not faces, not the food. In this example, the niche is travel and the sub niche is travel landscape. That makes this account very niche and sub niche specific. Let's suppose take the another example. Might be your niche is cars. Okay, but what type of cars? Maybe supercars, maybe SUVs, maybe hatchback, maybe Jeep, maybe 4x4, like that. If you prefer to cover an entire niche in general, that is okay. But it is better to determine your account type should be very clear as soon as possible. So whatever your niche, whatever you choose, you need to stick to this sub niche as much as possible. This will solidify your content and let people enjoy a very targeted purpose. So let's take some of the examples of sub niche. As you can see on the left column, I have put up all the niche, and on the right column I have put up sub niche. So as you can see on the first example, travel, this is your niche. But what are the sub niche under this niche? Travel photography, travel selfies, travel landscape, travel hotels, etc. Now we will take some example of fashion. Fashion is a niche, but what are the sub niche over here? You can cover hairstyles, nail fashion, dresses, designer handbags, summer fashion, and so like on. Take this another example, fitness. Under the fitness, what are the sub niche? Weight loss, nutrition diets, motivational fits video, training tips. Now we will take it this another example, health. In that sub niche, tips for healthy living life, medicine reviews, senior lifestyle, medical advice, and so on. Take example of another one, motivation. In that sub niche, entrepreneurship, investing, motivational quotes, working, improving, and so on. Let's take another example, luxury. That is niche. But what are the sub niche under that? Watches, cars, money, real estate, yachts, luxury hotel, luxury travels, expensive toys, and so on. Take another example, animals. This is also a niche. But what are the sub niche under that? Cute animals, exotic pets, African elephants, small puppies, sharks, wildlife, and so on. Take example another one, photography. So what are the sub niche under this? Landscape photography, black and white photography, travel photography, and so on. Another one example is beauty. This is niche. So what are the sub niche under this? Woman beauty, makeup tutorial, skin care, facial care, cosmetic, and so on. Another example, automotive. Automotive is a niche. What are the sub niche under this? Expensive cars, muscle cars, Italian cars, eco cars, car reviews, 4x4, and so on. Let's take another example, lifestyle. This is a niche. So what are the sub-niche under that? Wine tasting, shopping, children, house interiors, design, furniture, and so on. And take the another one, the last one but not the least one, food. What are the sub-niche under this? Recipes, restaurant reviews, exotic foods, vegetarians, non-vegetarians, fruits, and so on. So like that, you have to be define your sub-niche under the niche. In this way, you can more targeted, more specific, and your theme should be very specific targeted audience. Thank you.